Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle, and of course, I will put a link for the subscription down there below the video. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I have a cold right now, so if you're wondering that's why I sound off, that's why I'm sick. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, just like every time I've opened this subscription, in case you haven't seen these box openings, this subscription, BohemStyle, has two projects in it. It's usually a necklace and a bracelet. Sometimes the projects are matching or sometimes they're different. This piece of paper here has a link to an instructional video that shows you how to make both pieces that are in the box. And by the way, every time I've gotten one of these subscriptions, the video has been very easy to follow. I had no problems learning how to make the pieces in this box. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we have. So here is a little chain, and then we have crimp covers. It's a dark silver color, which is kind of my favorite. I actually prefer the dark silver over the bright. Here are crimp tubes. Here are some more crimp covers. This is a bright silver, so I'll show you the difference. Bright silver, and this is a dark silver. And then we have a teardrop, a very small one. It's probably 5 by 3 millimeter. And then we have the tiniest split ring. I don't even have this size in stock. I think that's a 4 millimeter. I have 5, and that one there is pretty small, so I'm thinking it's a 4. And here's a really small lobster claw clasp. And then we have some amazing teardrops. I have not seen these before. They're actually textured. I'm gonna have to open this. These would make amazing flowers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so one side is silver and then the other side is purple. That one's not purple. That one is. Or maybe it's pink. It's like a purpley pink. They're very pretty. I love these. So I'm excited to use these. Okay, put all these back. And here's the other one. Okay, here are some more. This is a blue color. Wow. These are so pretty. I love these. I wonder what this style of teardrop is called. And then we have bead stringing wire. And then there are 3 millimeter check trucks in a matte silver color. And then we have a toggle clasp. And then we have some pearls. Looks like 10 millimeter gold pearls. Or maybe champagne. And then we have a jump ring. And here is a really cute charm. I wonder if this goes with the teardrops because it sort of has a similar look to it with the texture there. And then we have some pearls. And by the way, all of the beads in this box are check beads because these beads are actually coming from Check Beads exclusive. So these are check pearls. These are pretty cool. Are they twisted? Let's see. I don't think I've gotten much pearls in this subscription. I think this might be the first time I've gotten pearls. So it's like a twisted looking pearl. Pretty cool. It's a cream color. And then here are some more. These ones are round. They look like 8 millimeter. And then we have, I'm thinking this is 12 millimeter pearls. And then we have some much larger ones. Wow, these are big. Kind of like a potato pearl. These are glass, by the way. They're not real freshwater pearls. They kind of look real, but they're all the same exact shape, so I know that they are glass. because freshwater pearls are pretty much different sizes and shapes. And then we have 3mm check fire pouch beads, and I think this is the Labrador full color. And full means that the entire bead's coated. Sometimes you'll see labradorite half, which means only half the bead is colored in silver and the rest is just a clear bead. Okay, so that's that there. So that's it. I'm going to lay all this out so you guys can see everything that came in this box. So here is everything laid out that was in the box, and again I will put a link for the BohemStyle subscription down there below the video so you guys can check it out for yourself. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. And you can also follow me on Instagram and share pictures of the jewelry you have made from my videos there. So, thanks for watching.